Hey everyone, welcome back to Crown Geek. In this video, I will be explaining that how you can make your Windows 11 look like Windows 7. So right now you can see in my screen, it looks very similar to Windows 7, the background, and even at the left hand corner if you see, so Windows icon and everything looks like very similar to Windows 7. So how you can do that, that's what I will be explaining in this video. So make sure that you do not skip any part. And if you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel, like the video. Now before starting, I would recommend you that please create a restore point so that in case if anything goes wrong or if you change your mind in the future, you can quickly revert to Windows 11 appearance. So click on your Windows 11 search box, type here restore, and from the suggestion choose create a restore point. The system properties box will be up. Here you have to click on create and then give a name so that you can quickly identify, like original Windows 11. Then click on create, and now it will take some time to create a restore point depending that how much data file registry you have on your computer, so kindly wait. Once done, you will be getting a message the restore point was created successfully, so you have to click on close and then click on OK. Now you will be getting a link in the description of Google Drive. You have to click on download and then click on download anyway. I have just attached all the software required because manually many people reported that the software are not available. They are asking for the money. It's not a free one. So I have just attached all the software in a Google Drive. You have to download it. Once done, right click on the downloaded folder, choose show in folder. And now here you will find Windows 7 pack for 11, which is in a zip file. So we just need to extract it. So right click on it and choose extract all. Then click on extract and choose the destination wherever you want to extract. And now the folder will be coming up. Double click on it. And here you will see all the software that we would be using. So first we will change the wallpaper. So double click on the wallpaper folder. And here you will see all the three Windows 7 folders. So we will go with this one, that is the real one. So right click on it and choose it as desktop background. So we have the Windows 7 appearance now, the background. So go back and now we have to go with the start all back setup. Right click on it and choose run as administrator. Then click on yes. And you will be getting another box. You have to click on install for everyone. And you will see that some new boxes will be coming up. Now here you have to click on remastered 7, that is on the bottom. And as soon as you click on it, on the left hand corner, you will see that the appearance has been changed and it looks like Windows 7 icon. And even the appearance, the theme, it almost Windows 7. All right. Now there are many more options on the left hand menu section. If you go with taskbar, so if you want to change the taskbar, like how it looks like, so you can also change that. And the icon size, if you want to make it bigger, then you can go with the bigger one, large, medium. So whichever option you want to take, you can take it. And icon margin, if you want to change the icon margin, then you can do that as well. We don't have to do center task icon, dynamic transparency, segments. We don't have to do anything with this. Now from the left hand menu option only, click on Explorer and choose this option to Windows 7 command bar. Once done, go to advanced, click on use custom start menu coloring and then click on this color icon. And here you can change the color if you want to, whatever you want. Then click on OK. All right. And after that, you can close it. Now, finally, if I click on it, you can see the appearance. It's almost like Windows 7. And the only thing what we feel bad that we can remove the extra icon here on the taskbar to make it more similar to Windows 7. So right click on your taskbar and show chat button. We will uncheck this. Show task view location. We will uncheck it. Show search button. We will also uncheck it. So now you can see it looks very similar to Windows 7. Now there are many more options that you can do, but for that you just need Windows 10 because that options are not compatible with Windows 11. So if I go to downloads and open this, we are remaining with this Windows blind 10 setup, but it really work with Windows 11. So if you are using Windows 10, then you can also install this application. Now we are also remaining with Windows 7 games. So double click on it, then click on yes, okay, and then click on next, and then click on install. And you can choose here from the list that which all games you want, like Spider Solitaire, Solitaire, Mahjong, Heart, Free Cell, Chess. So whichever you want, you can check all these options, then click on install. Once done, click on finish. And now if I go to the start menu and if I click on games, so you can see all these games are up here. So for example, if I open any one of them like Minesweeper, beginner, so you can see the Minesweeper game is up here and you can play it. Similarly, you can play all other games that we just installed. So that's all guys for today. Hopefully this video will help you to quickly make your Windows 11 look like Windows 7. And now in case if you want to change your mind and you want to revert the action and take the Windows 11 appearance only, then you have to go to your Windows and search RSTRUI, and from the suggestion click RSTRUI. The system restore will be coming up, and if you remember, in the beginning we created this restore point. So what you have to do, if you want to change your mind and revert the action, then you have to select it and then click on next. Now it will ask you to finish, and after that the action will be reverted and you will be getting the real Windows 11. So hopefully guys this video will help you, and if yes, please consider subscribing to the channel, like the video, and for any question let me know in the comment section. Till then, take care, bye bye.